Hello, I'm Patrick Jamison, and today we're going to install the CGI Sparta horizontal roller. In this video, I'm going to unpackage the product and show you some of the suggested tools you'll need for this install. Here is the Sparta aluminum horizontal roller. I'm now ready to unpackage the product safely. The next step is to remove the screen. You're going to want to remove it and set it off to the side to prevent damage to it. Here are some of the suggested tools you'll need for this install. Starting with the right size level, cordless impact screw gun, glass cup, razor knife, tape measure, pliers, a set of putty knives, and the appropriate sealant. To recap, I've now unpackaged the product and showed you some of the suggested tools you'll need for this install. In the next video, I'm going to show you the best practices of how to install this window.